Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the use of alter table and the drop table commands. Okay. Now, what is the use of the alter table? We are going to see that one right now first. Okay. Suppose you have given, I have prepared one, what is a table over there. Just I will see the table. Select asterisk from from EMPL. Fine. Now I have now this is the table. What is the table? The display over there, it is the table. After creating the table, if I think that I required another column over there called salary, I have prepared the table already. It may happen I have entered the data also. Purposefully, I have not entered the lot of data. Okay, but suppose after creation of the table, I required another column over here where I am moving the mouse called salary. Now, what I am going to do? I am going to use the alter table command. Okay. Now, in the alter table, different things can be done. Modify can be done. Add can be done, change can be done. For adding the columns, for adding a column which is not there, we have to use the add. Okay, so I am writing the code alter table. Now I just shift it a little bit up, alter table. Now what will going to be happen? The name of the table, name of the table is EMPL. Fine, EMPL. Now which one you want to add? Add. I want to add a column. Add. What will be the name of the column? Name of the column will be sal. What will be the data type? Data type will be integer. Fine. Now I just close this brace and I am going to give you the semicolon. So what happens? Alter is the keyword, table, alter table, table name. For adding the column which is not there, add, then the name of the table and the data type of the table. Now I give the enter. Okay, it has been affected, but we want to see this one. If I write the select asterisk command right now, we are able to see this one. See this one. Null is given because here I have not entered anything. Okay, but the column called sal has been added over there. Now how I will going to add? I can add with update command. Okay, I can add the values with the update command also. Okay, see this one, the cell column has been added, no entries are there. For that it has been displayed null. Okay, now if I use the update command, update, then the table name is EMPL. I'll just shift this one up, EMPL. Set the field name sal is equal to, suppose I have given this. Now if I update table name, set the field and the values, one row is affected, it has been showing over there. If I write select, then asterisk from EMPL, the name of the table, and display, see this one, the values has been inserted over there. So we have see that one, the use of the alter table add. There is different things are there in the alter table, there are different things are there. So what I have done, I can see the use the alter table add, where we are going to use add a column which is not there in the table. We are going to see that one, that how to use the change. with the altered table. Change means, suppose in this table EMP code is there. This name of this column is EMP code. What I want to make it E code. Then what I'll do? After I create the table, I think that the name should be, the column name should be E code. But I have given EMP code. What I will do? I am going to use the change with the alter table. Okay, it will change the existing column name. Okay, and a new name can be given over there. One we have seen that one, that is adding, and this is the change. Any kind of change you can do it over there. Suppose if we write this one, select, I'll just 1 minute. Select asterisk. It has been written. Okay, just I'll move it is off. So what we are going to do? We are going to see the change. Change. Okay, what I am going to do? I am going to change the name of the column from EMP code. I make it E code. Fine. So what will be the query? Alter table EMPL EMPL change. What change I am going to do? The EMP code will be changed to as E code. Okay, change EMP code, it will be changed as E code, and I have to specify the what I say, the data type also. It is char, and length is 3 is there. I keep that one. So what I have done for changing alter table EMPL change EMP code, after I create, I think that one, if it will be E code, it will be better. The new one, the old one, old name of the column EMP code, the new one, and the data type. So I have given the semicolon, and it has been executed. Now we are going to give the select asterisk command. Select asterisk from EMPL. Now see this one, it has from EMP code, it has been E code. Now if you want to delete the total table from the database, what you are going to do? The command is drop table. Command is drop table. Suppose I am writing this one, drop table EMPL. What it will do? It will delete the table from the database. Okay, drop table. If you want the total table should be deleted from the database, what you are going to do? Drop table, table name, and the semicolon. Fine. Now if I write the select asterisk command, no table is there, does not exist. Okay, this is the, you can delete the table. Okay, thank you very much.